the sixth method to express concentrations is mole fraction. Let us define mole fraction. Ratio of number of moles of given component to the sum of moles of total components present in the solution. Present in the solution. Okay. Ratio of number of moles of given component to the sum of moles of total components is said to be mole fraction. Okay. Let us consider a solution having components A, B, C with the mole numbers Na, Nb and Nc respectively. Okay. Now let us consider mole fraction of A. Xa is equal to, we can write like this, Na by Na plus Nb plus Nc. Okay. So here the given component is A, and then it has to be taken like this, Na by Na plus Nb plus Nc according to the definition. Okay. Let us consider mole fraction of B. Xb is equal to Nb by Na plus Nb plus Nc. Okay. Are you understanding what is happening here? Xc is equal to Nc by Na plus Nb plus Nc. Okay. This is the way to obtain mole fractions of each component. Is it clear? The most important thing has to remind is Xa plus Xb plus Xc always equals to 1. This is very important point regarding mole fraction. Okay. Moreover, mole fraction has no units. Mole fraction has no units. Keep in mind. Okay. And mole fraction is independent of temperature. Independent of temperature. So temperature has no influence on the magnitude of mole fraction. Okay. This is about mole fraction. Okay. Let us solve a problem with respect to mole fraction. Let us go through this problem. What is mole fraction of glucose in a solution having 18 grams of glucose and 180 grams of water? Okay. Here solution is the mixture of glucose plus water. Okay. number of moles of water is to be considered as NH2O. Okay. So we know that since N is equal to weight by gram molecular weight, so here number of moles of water is equal to weight of water. What is weight of water here? 180 grams from the problem. What is gram molecular weight of water? 18 grams. Is it clear? After cancellation, we can get 10. So, number of moles of water is equal to 10. Is it clear? Let us calculate number of moles of glucose. Okay. What is the weight of glucose? 18 grams. What is gram molecular weight of glucose? 180 grams. Okay. GMW of glucose is equal to 180 grams. Let us cancel this. By cancelling this, we can get 0.1. Here, number of moles of water is equal to 10 moles. Number of moles of glucose is equal to 0.1 mole. Okay. So, here what they asked in the problem, mole fraction of glucose. So, X glucose is equal to N glucose by N glucose plus NH2O. Is it clear? Now let us see what is glucose, number of moles of glucose? 0.1 by, again what is number of moles of glucose? 0.1 plus what is number of moles of water? 10 moles. Okay. Is it clear? So now what is mole fraction of glucose? X glucose is equal to 0.1 by 10.1. Okay. Or in simple manner, we have to calculate this. So this is mole fraction of glucose. After cancellation, we can get simple answer. Okay. So now, what is mole fraction of water means? Okay. So if you want to get mole fraction of water, simply we can get like this. We have an equation XA plus XB is equal to 1. Okay, the concept I told. So by following this equation, here you have mole fraction of glucose. Okay. So then X H2O plus what is X glucose? 0.1 by 10.1 is equal to 1. Okay. So here then what is XH2O? XH2O is equal to 1 minus 0.1 by 10.1. Okay, like this we can calculate mole fraction of water also. But in the problem they asked about mole fraction of glucose, enough to solve this problem until here only. Okay, thank you.